Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have item for your Halloween celebrations and beyond, the best fog mist maker. This innovative device isn't just for spooky parties, it's perfect for enhancing any garden, pond, or indoor space with a mesmerizing mist. If you're looking to create an enchanting atmosphere or simply enjoy the calming effects of mist, you're in the right place. Let's take a closer look at the 2PC's Mist Maker Fogger. This small ultrasonic fog machine packs a punch with its powerful performance and stylish design. Each unit is crafted from high-temperature and corrosion-resistant alloy materials, ensuring durability and longevity. You won't have to worry about rust, deformation, or breaking easily. This fogger is built to last. The 24 volts voltage design makes it incredibly easy to use. All you have to do is plug it in and submerge it in water, and voila! You're ready to enjoy a stunning mist effect. Imagine the reactions of your guests as they see the fog rolling over your garden pond or filling your Halloween decorations with an eerie yet beautiful ambiance. What really sets this fog maker apart are its impressive features. With the ability to create a large volume of mist, it's perfect for adding that extra touch to any setting. The fogger is equipped with 12 LED lights that flash in vibrant colors, adding a dynamic visual element to your display. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party or simply want to spruce up your outdoor space, this device will surely steal the show. Safety is also a top priority with this product. The fogger is designed to be safe to use, as long as you remember to keep it completely submerged in water while operating. Just a quick word of caution. Avoid placing your hands over the central fogger while it's in use. This mist maker is not only great for Halloween, it's versatile enough for year-round enjoyment. Use it in your fish tank, rockery, or even a vase to create a stunning visual effect. The mist can add a sense of tranquility to your environment, making it ideal for indoor use as well. It's a great addition to any garden enthusiast's toolkit, helping to create a peaceful atmosphere while also providing humidity for your plants. To get the best results from your fog maker, here are a few tips. Make sure to keep the water level adequate, as this ensures consistent mist production. You can also experiment with different placement options. Try it at varying heights and locations to see how it changes the effect of the mist. This can lead to some truly magical results, especially when paired with the right lighting. In summary, the best fog mist maker is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their space with captivating fog. Whether you're preparing for Halloween or simply want to create a serene atmosphere in your home or garden, this product delivers on all fronts. It's easy to use, durable, and truly versatile. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to Product Critique for more product insights and reviews. And remember, it's the little details that can transform any space into something extraordinary. Happy misting, everyone!